This is Weathertex exterior cladding. Termite-proof, chemical-free, strong and affordable.
You guys are making world-class external cladding, and it's not every day you can get cladding that's 97% natural material, 3% paraffin, that can actually bend
Absolutely.
like this.
The process begins with waste, that big pile of discarded Aussie hardwood chips.
They're the logs that normally get left on the forest floor.
Wow.
Because the logs that we get are bent or got holes in it and nothing you can do with it. So we get the logs that leave on the forest floor and we chip them back up and produce Weathertex.
Oh, look at that.
Then steam is used to smash the chips into fibre.
They're taking that raw material, all that lovely eucalyptus, 20 different varieties, they're grinding it up and they're pushing it into a mat that's about a little over 40 millimetres thick. And then they press it together under high strength and heat without any glues or polymers, just using one natural derivative that occurs naturally in the timber, and that's called lignin. And there's no chemicals in this whatsoever.
Timber fibre, bit of wax and water. How's the taste?
Tastes great. Natural.
Beautiful.